Hello kids, today we're going to start elephant. Green, brown, black, blue, purple, yellow, pink, red, orange. Let's get started. First we will draw an elephant with the beautiful outline of ear. Then we will make a beautiful eyes and nose called trunk. His beautiful eyes and face. Drawing legs and hands.
What paint?
The color.
Okay, go to Mama.